Okay. This is Chili. He's about 10 weeks old now. Had him since he was about 5 weeks old. And he's going to do some tricks, I hope. We'll see. He's already in his bed. Good boy. There he goes. The cat wants in on it. Can you touch? Good. Can you touch again? Good. Touch. Yes. Try not to shake the camera too much. Oops. Get it. Cat's not helping. Chili. It's right there. He already knows go to his bed like you wouldn't believe. Chili. And his name. Good. All that eye contact has been trained. Because he's very, very food motivated. He knows I have it. Unfortunately. High five. Good boy. High five again. Good. High five. Alright. Come here, Chili. Right here. Good. Can you spin? Good boy. Can you touch? Yes. Touch again. Good boy. Okay. Right here. Yes. He picked up targeting in like 4 tries. Which was pretty impressive. Considering it took the older dogs a couple sessions to really get it. Can we spin? Yes, good boy. And we're already on variable reinforcement because he's so freaking smart. Can you go to your bed? Good boy. Okay, come here. Good. Go to your bed. Yes. He'll do that from across the house. Come here. And we've also been free shaping, and so we just kind of ride the wave, see what he gives me. Can you high five? Good boy. Can you hey, can you sneeze? It's our new one. Sneeze. I heard it. He sneezes so quiet I almost miss it. Sneeze. Yes, good boy. Can you sneeze? Yes. He also does this really cute backing up thing. You want to come do it? Come here. Can you do it? No, we're too interested in our bed. Should do this out in the living room. Oh, good boy. Oh, that's cute. Thank you. Since he's never been punished, or good boy, for, you know, I'm used to working with dogs that have been punished and trained and had things done to them already, and they're afraid to offer anything, whereas he's just throws all sorts of stuff at me, like he's doing right now. That's a good sneeze. Can you sneeze? If. Sneeze. You can do it. Of course, that's the only thing I'm not going to give him. Because Kevin doesn't want him to bark. How about a wave? Can you wave? Can you chew my fingers off? Good. Can you do it again? Yes. Anyway, that's basically what we know. Good boy. Chili. See? He knows his name. Good boy. Do one more. Here. Treats in my hand. Wait for it. Eye contact while mugging my hand.